Good morning guys, in front of me is Nokia 220 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is to click on this icon which is for off or back for cancelling the conversation. Just keep holding. It's also the power button, so still hold it. And once you see the Nokia logo again, you can release the button and within a couple of seconds it will be rebooted and you will be able to use it smoothly again. And that's it, that'll be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.